So first of all, good evening everyone. Welcome to this channel. My name is Ritesh, and in this video, we will discuss about the types of the softwares, because in the previous video we have to the discussed about that what is the meaning of the softwares. Okay, but in this video we are going to see that what is the how many types of the softwares. Okay, so I want to say you something that mainly we have the two types of the softwares, that is the application software and the second one is the system software. Okay, but now this time in we can also include the utility softwares, but by default also this is also included in the system softwares. Okay, but some people is going to the say that that is a not happening, that is a also contains the different type, that is a utility softwares we can say. Okay, but in this video we are going to see, we will say that is a mainly we have the two types of the softwares, that is application softwares and the system softwares. And system softwares contains the one softwares, that is a utility software. Inside the system software we have the utility softwares. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity about all these things here. Okay, and then we will also see that how can I say that utility software is containing by the system software. Okay, so I hope that you have to understand that what is the fun about in this video, means what we will do in this video. Okay, so let's start this video. So I have to just say to you that here mainly we have the two types of the softwares, that is application software, second one is the system software. So I am just going to just say you something about that, what is the meaning of the system software and what is the meaning of the application software and everything about all these things. And also we will discuss about the utility software, that is a part of the system software. Okay, so what is the application software? We are going to the first defining. So application software is nothing but a software which have to the mainly we have to the created one application. Which types of the softwares will be called the application software? Which I want to say you that which types of the software is on the form of application, which applications will be called the, which softwares will be called the system, that one will be called the application softwares. Okay, so which software is in the form of the applications, which one will be called the application softwares. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity that what is the application software. And also application, and I want to say you something about in the detail that what is the application software. So as you know that there are so many types of the applications in the market, that is we have the Flipkart, we have the Facebook, and we have the Amazon, we have the Miso, and etc. So on, a lot of application software is containing in the market. You can install from the our through the our Play Store. Okay, and in the system you can go the Microsoft Store. Okay, if you are going to use the window. Okay, so I hope that with the clarity about that what is the application software defining. So I have to define that what is the meaning of the systems application software, which software is in the form of the application, which softwares will be called the application software. This is a very easy defining way. Okay, so I have to define in this form. Okay, so I have to elaborate that what is the meaning of the application softwares. I want to discuss it with you in the details. So application software is what? Application is what? Okay, so I have to just say to you that in the market a lot of application, but how can we create and etc. So on, we are going to see in this video right now. Okay, so application software also contains the lot of the functions. That's why we are going to say that one is a software. Otherwise we will never say that is a software. Software means what? Collection of the functions, set of the functions. Okay, so application software contains the lot of the functions to the execute, to the fulfill the one specific work. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity about the application software. Suppose we have the Flipkart, and also the Flipkart is containing the lot of the features, a lot of the functions. Okay, first one function is a login function. If you are going to the sign up, then login, and then after login we have to the home page is created there, and home page is there, other home page is different page, and also we have the about page, and we have the help page. Okay, so there are a lot of the pages we have to the included, and then we have to the created one application. Okay, so for the create one application we are going to the using the different template. Okay, so you can say that is a pages, you can say that is a template. Okay, so for the applications we have to the we can create through the Java, and the Kotlin is the trending languages to create the application softwares. Okay, yes, so you can use the Java, or you can also use the Kotlin to the create the soft application softwares. Okay, and through the Android development you can create the applications, any types of the application softwares. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity about how can we do that. But you have also one question that how can I say that Kotlin will be also used there. So what is the Kotlin? Kotlin is also a programming language which is the very and very easy compared to the Java. But I want to say you something, the disadvantages of the Kotlin, that Kotlin is not containing a lot of the features which have to the included in the Java. So we should have to the choose the Java. Java is the longer, but that is a very and very golden thing. Okay, but this one is a not usable. Means we, if you want to the lot of use the functions, so there is no providing by the Kotlin. Okay, so I hope that we have to the clarity that which one is the using for the create the applications through the Android development. Okay, so application shift software we have to the discussed. So application software is containing a lot of the functions. Okay, so application software is what we have to the define, that application software is nothing but a software which is the form in the application. That software will be called the application software. Okay, so I hope that we have the clarity about the defining of the application software. Okay, so after the defining I have to the discuss with you that how can we how is it means I have to the say to you that there is a lot of the templates to different works, and I have to the say to you that is contains a lot of the functions in the different template. Okay, and also I have to the say to you that what is the how can we create the application softwares through the applications of through the Java and the Kotlin programming languages, and using the Android development courses. Okay, so Android development, we should have to know about that how can we operate the Android development. Okay, and then we can develop the any type of the application softwares, and then we can also launch on the Play Store. Okay, so I hope that you have the clarity about what is the meaning of the application softwares. But if you have any type of the question related to this application software in this video, so you can ask me with the help of the comment box. Okay, so let's meet you again and again in the next video. We will discuss about the second type, that is a system software we will discuss, and then we will in the next video we will discuss about the utility softwares, and then we will see that what is the advantages, and then we will discuss about the disadvantages of the softwares. Okay, so let's meet you again and again in the next video. Let's bye.